The pulsing rhythm of electronic music reverberated through the crowded nightclub. Strobe lights painted the dance floor in fleeting hues of neon. But the star attraction wasn't human. On stage, a humanoid robot, the Phantom MK1, moved with surprising fluidity. Its metallic fingers manipulated the DJ console, seamlessly blending tracks, its actions pre-programmed yet strangely lifelike. This was no ordinary tech demo. The Phantom MK1, a machine designed for the unforgiving realities of war, had just made its public debut in a San Francisco nightclub. It was an unexpected juxtaposition, a stark reminder that the line between science fiction and reality was blurring. The company behind this audacious display, Foundation Robotics Labs, had a bold vision for the future, one where advanced robots would reshape not just the battlefield, but the very fabric of society. Foundation Robotics Labs was the brainchild of two individuals with contrasting backgrounds, drawn together by a shared ambition. Sankayat Pathak, a Silicon Valley veteran, had tasted both bitter failure with his fintech startup, Synapse, and the intoxicating allure of cutting-edge technology. His partner, Mike LeBlanc, brought a different kind of experience to the table. A former U.S. Marine, LeBlanc had witnessed firsthand the brutal realities of combat, the ever-present danger, and the limitations of human soldiers. Their company, founded in 2024 with a significant seed investment, was built on a simple yet audacious premise: to develop robots that surpassed human capabilities, machines that were faster, stronger, and unburdened by conscience or fear. The Phantom MK1 was the culmination of their efforts, a tangible representation of their vision for the future of warfare. Standing at an imposing 1.75 meters tall and weighing in at a hefty 80 kilograms, the Phantom MK1 was a formidable presence. Its sleek humanoid design hinted at both agility and strength. The robot's upper torso housed an array of sophisticated technology, powerful processors, high-resolution cameras, long-lasting batteries, and an assortment of sensors that allowed it to perceive and interact with its environment. But it was the Phantom MK1's advanced actuators and balance systems that truly set it apart. These innovations enabled the robot to navigate rough terrain, maintain its footing in precarious situations, and even perform complex maneuvers with a level of dexterity that belied its mechanical nature. In the hands of soldiers, these capabilities could be game-changers, allowing robots to traverse battlefields that would be inaccessible to humans, and engage in combat with a speed and precision that human soldiers could only dream of. While the Phantom MK1's military applications were undeniable, Foundation Robotics Labs was keen to emphasize the robot's versatility. The company argued that the same capabilities that made the Phantom MK1 a formidable weapon could also be harnessed for a variety of civilian purposes. They envisioned a future where their robots would address critical labor shortages in manufacturing, agriculture, and other industries. This dual-purpose marketing strategy was not without its critics. Some saw it as a cynical attempt to sanitize the true nature of the technology, to make it more palatable to a public wary of killer robots. Others, however, saw it as a pragmatic approach to funding the development of groundbreaking technology. After all, the profits generated from selling robots to civilian markets could be used to further enhance their military capabilities, creating a self-sustaining cycle of innovation. Section 5, Automation, a necessity or a threat? Foundation Robotics. Labs founders argued that automation wasn't just a pathway to profit, but a necessity for human survival. They pointed to looming demographic crises, dwindling birth rates in developed nations, and a shrinking global workforce. Robots, they argued, were the solution, the key to maintaining economic growth and preventing societal collapse. This narrative, however, masked a more complex reality. While automation could undoubtedly boost productivity and efficiency, it also carried the potential for widespread job displacement. The prospect of millions of workers being replaced by machines was a source of anxiety and fear, a potent reminder of the potential downsides of unchecked technological advancement. Section 6, the new arms race. Silicon Valley joins the fray. The development of the Phantom MK1 coincided with a significant shift in the tech industry's stance on defense contracts. For years, many tech giants had resisted working with the military, wary of the ethical implications and the potential for reputational damage. But geopolitical realities and the rapid pace of technological advancement had forced a reevaluation of those stances. The rise of China as a technological superpower, coupled with its increasingly assertive foreign policy, had raised alarms in Western capitals. Companies like Meta, OpenAI, and even Google, once staunch advocates for keeping artificial intelligence out of the hands of the military, had reversed course, partnering with governments to develop advanced weapons systems. The line between the digital and the physical, the civilian and the military, was blurring, and the implications were profound. Section 7. Echoes of the Past, a legacy of military machines. The Phantom MK1 was not the first humanoid robot designed for military applications. It followed in the footsteps of projects like Boston Dynamics' Petman and Atlas, robots initially developed for the US Army, and Russia's Fedor robot, designed for space exploration but touted for its potential battlefield utility. These earlier robots, while impressive in their own right, had been hampered by limitations in battery life, processing power, and artificial intelligence. The Phantom MK1, thanks to advances in material science, battery technology and machine learning, represented a significant leap forward. It was faster, stronger, and more adaptable than its predecessors. A glimpse into a future where robots would play an increasingly prominent role in warfare. Section 8. Beyond Earth, the final frontier awaits. Foundation Robotics Lab's ambitions extended far beyond the confines of Earth. The company's founders envisioned a future where their robots would play a key role in humanity's expansion into the solar system and beyond. They planned to use the profits from their robot sales to establish a permanent base in Antarctica, followed by bases on the Moon, Mars, and eventually other star systems. These robots, designed to withstand the harshest environments, could be deployed to build infrastructure, conduct scientific research, and even prepare the way for human settlements. They could venture into areas too dangerous for humans, explore the unknown, and push the boundaries of human knowledge. Section 9. Dawn of a new era, collaboration or conflict. The development of the Phantom MK1 and other advanced robots like it marked a pivotal moment in human history. These machines had the potential to revolutionize warfare, reshape industries, and even propel humanity beyond Earth. But they also raised profound ethical and societal questions. Could we control these machines, or would they eventually surpass us, becoming a threat rather than a tool? Would they usher in a new era of peace and prosperity, or would they exacerbate existing inequalities and lead to new forms of conflict? The future remained unwritten, a tapestry of possibilities woven from both hope and apprehension. The choices we made, the paths we chose to follow, would determine whether this new era would be one of collaboration or conflict.